Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a Porsche 987 having a DMX8021DABS installed. As you can see on here, the favourites currently are CarPlay, DAB radio, Android Auto, and telephone. If I go onto the source button there, you can see with the reflection, you have obviously wireless mirroring facility with Android, FM radio. You've got an HDMI that's on the back of this, so you can put a video source into this, and also excuse me, an AV in. You have got Apple CarPlay, which I'll go on to now. So that's got your standard features that Apple CarPlay have got. You can, if you wanted to, with Apple CarPlay, you can move these around. However, that's all done on the phone rather than the source, so you can have your favourites on the first page rather than having to scroll across. This has also got a camera direct button, so if you've got a rear camera fitted, you can directly do it, as well as it going into reverse if you wanted to. If you'd like to have this done in your Porsche, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.